The story held from the commercial place renovation project entitled Castello Santa Eurasia di Procopio, completed by Martyn Lawrence Bullard. Rarely in a designer's life does one get the chance to decorate a 12th-century Italian castle. It was, however, Bullard's greatest pleasure to work on the complete rebuild and restoration of the Castello Santa Eurasia in Umbria, Italy. After 3 passionate years of site visits, shopping the world's auction houses and antique fairs for the correct period furnishings, scouring the markets of Italy, Belgium and France for architectural fragments to complement the castle's original architecture and slowly assembling the best Italian artisans, the castle was once again ready to receive its noble ancestors and fearless new owner.